G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably the Winton area. The first piece here has been marked out to cut stones. It's been rubbed down. Rule, if I didn't mention, in millimetres. You can see it's reasonably thick. This piece, I just cut it, polish it the way it is, shape it up. Back's still rough. This piece is, again, just shape it up the way it is. Finish it off. A little bit thin up the top there, unfortunately. That's the nature of the game, how it has to be sawn sometimes. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.